I know as an aromatherapist and as an educator, so many people come, what do you have to help with this skin irritation and this skin blemish and anti-aging for the skin and hydration for this dry skin issues. And so we thought it was very fitting for this episode to talk about skincare. And we're going to talk about essential oils. We're going to talk about carriers and other ways we infuse botanicals into routines, into your holistic wellness plans. What do? We want to, pull the curtain back and show you
Mhm.
exactly what we do, why we formulate the way that we do, why we pair up herbs and botanicals and oils together in a certain way to get specific results. That way, when you're putting your DIY together or you're reading labels and you're looking at I have this issue, what's going to be the best to help it. We want you to be educated